Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC60 and the Volkswagen Golf GTI. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from design and performance to practicality and value, helping you understand which vehicle might best suit your needs. This comparison will highlight key differences in their driving experience and overall appeal. When it comes to performance, the Volvo XC60 prioritizes a comfortable and composed ride, often with impressive horsepower from its available powertrains, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. In contrast, the Golf GTI is engineered for excitement, offering sharp steering, a responsive turbocharged engine, and a more engaging feel on winding roads. It's a clear distinction between luxury cruising and spirited driving. Inside, the XC60 boasts a premium, Scandinavian-inspired interior with high-quality materials and generous passenger space, especially in the rear. It also offers substantial cargo volume, up to 63 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The GTI, while smaller, provides a surprisingly practical cabin for a hot hatch, with comfortable seating and up to 34.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats down. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The XC60 offers luxury, safety, and SUV versatility at a premium price. The GTI delivers exhilarating performance and practicality in a compact, more affordable package. Consider your budget, driving style, and space requirements. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.